The Air Data Inertial Reference System, or ADIRS, supplies flight data such as position, speed, altitude, and attitude. Part of the ADIRS, the Inertial Reference Systems, or IRSs, are the primary source for position and attitude data. There are two Air Data Inertial Reference Units, or ADIRUs. Each ADIRU contains air data and inertial reference parts. This lesson is about the inertial reference parts, the IRSs. The 737 IRSs replace the mechanical gyros and inertial navigation systems used on older technology airplanes. The IRSs contain electronic sensors and non-mechanical laser gyroscopes, which measure airplane movement in all three axes. Signals from the sensors are used to calculate attitude, true and magnetic heading, acceleration, vertical speed, ground speed, track, wind, and the airplane's latitude and longitude position. The IRSs supply attitude, heading, vertical speed, and other data for the flight instruments. They supply position, wind, and other data for the FMC. The IRSs also supply data for the autothrottle, flight control computers, and other systems.